Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw a Zooble from Amazing Digital Circus. Let's start with head first. Draw a triangle. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eye. Draw eyebrow. Draw eye. Draw a zigzag shape over the left eye. Draw Y shape over the right eye. Draw neck. Draw a jelly bean shape for the body. Detail the body with small circles. Draw wing-like shape on the shoulder. Draw a curved line for the leg. Draw shoe. Draw a spring-like structure for the leg. Draw J shape for the left leg. Draw a curved line for the hand. Draw fingers. Draw a spring-like structure for the hand. Draw a crab claw. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.